Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Roborock Qrevo S Pro. If you're interested in the S Pro, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals, and you'll find our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool, so be sure to check out those links in the description. So, here we go. We have our vacuum right here. It's already powered on, if you can tell from the studio lighting, but we have two white lights here, so we know the unit's powered on. We can even check that by taking out the dustbin, and it's talking to us. So again, we know it's booted up. So to restart your vacuum cleaner, this is different from a factory reset. This is not erasing any data or restoring anything. This is just a simple power cycle. We'll be turning it off and then back on. So first thing we have to do, go ahead, press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds here.
Turning off.
It says turning off, so we can let go, and then we'll watch the lights as they change. And once these go out, we'll know that the vacuum is powered off. So there we go. The vacuum's powered off. Look, it's not talking to me anymore. So we're almost done with our restart. Now we just got to turn it back on. So press and hold that same power button again for a couple more seconds. The lights came on, they're blinking. Now we'll wait for this to initialize. We have our startup chime. The lights are still blinking. And there we go. Now they're solid. And we have officially turned it off and back on, and thus we have completed our restart. Simple and straightforward. Just press and hold the power button and turn it off. Wait till the lights are off. Then press and hold the power button again for a couple seconds till the lights come back on. You'll hear that startup chime. The lights will go solid, and you're all set and ready to go.